Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Sophia. I have with me today a little Happy Mail share. This is from Lacy. I'm sorry that I'm barely doing this video now, Lacy. But I did not want to open it until I could do a video, and so that is what I am doing now. This is Merry Mail, I'm pretty sure. So that just gives you an idea how bad I am. Anyways, so I am very excited to open this because I have an idea from some other Merry Mails received at the same time what this is. And, we're gonna find out. Okay, there's a little card, so we're gonna open the card. Oh, and these are, I think, the ones that came from Hobby Lobby. And oh, thank you, Lacy. She was just saying that her Merry Mail was late and that she hoped I liked it. And of course I will like it, and I don't care what time I receive any type of mail. I will be so happy to open this. Okay, so let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's a Christmas tree, and then it has this that looks like an, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. It's amazing. These are so cool. Oh wow. This is so cool, and they look like Christmas lights underneath. This is so pretty, Lacy. Oh, thank you so much. I am going to hang this year-round. Like, it's not going to come down. I'm going to hang it. I might just nail it to the back of my desk right here and look at it all year long. This is so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Look at this. Isn't that cool? And like touching it too, like the texture is wonderful. Can you guys tell? I've been so busy. I really wanted to do my nails, and I sat down to do it, and I only got one hand done. So, alright, and then there's some other little goodies in here. This is one of my favorites. Candy cane is one of my favorite chapsticks all year long. Oh, and she sent me some stirs. This is perfect. My friend Renee gave me some, like, decorative rings that are, like plastic Christmas rings. So I'm gonna cut off the backs and use them for stuff at Christmas time. Look how cool. These are awesome. Look at this one. I didn't see these anywhere. Oh, these are great. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. This is such a great idea, and you do such a lovely job at it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you everyone who watched this video for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope I can post another video soon. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Catch you on the next one.